Every organization wants to become more environmentally sustainable, but how do you quantify sustainability? Dr. Melissa Harclerode and her team have developed the Sustainability Analytics Framework to do just that. Check it out.
The CDM Smith Sustainability Analytics Framework is a guide to help our technical team collaborate with our clients and their stakeholders in performing meaningful sustainability planning, assessment, and reporting. The genesis of this concept really came when I was getting my doctorate about 8 years ago and reading this paper by Dr. Jenny Pope on conceptualizing sustainability, in which she framed it in a way that is sustainability objective-led and data-driven, and just was really inspired and influenced by her paper.
What do you think sets the Sustainability Analytics Framework apart from other approaches to sustainability?
Yeah, great question. I would say there's two aspects that set us apart. One, we are sustainability goal, target, objective led. We are not looking at the sustainable triple bottom line in silos and trying to compare and contrast. We are defining those measurable success factors up front and monitoring success towards those factors. And the unique part of those factors is that they can be a combination of qualitative, quantitative, and monetized factors.
So what documents or tools does this framework use?
We use a few different types of tools. We have complex greenhouse gas emission models, life cycle assessment, and emission forecasting. We do financial analysis as well as environmental economics, like a benefit cost analysis. We do a lot of demographic, GIS mapping of communities, disadvantaged communities, land use. And we also use multi-criteria decision analysis as a tool to help us look at those quantitative, qualitative, and monetized criteria in a holistic, comprehensive manner.
Can you share an example of how this framework helped a large agency to tackle sustainability goals?
Yes, we worked with two Department of Transportation over the past year in developing their statewide carbon reduction strategy, which required not only estimating carbon emission reduction potential, but also alignment with the Justice 40 policy.
So for states, utilities, municipalities that have received Inflation Reduction Act funding, how can this framework help them demonstrate the greenhouse gas reductions or the Justice 40 alignment that they're required to show as a condition of that funding?
Climate pollution reduction grant funding that's coming from the EPA, as you are required, if you're getting that funding, to put together a priority climate action plan and a comprehensive climate action plan. And in those plans, you need to estimate carbon reduction from the measures that you're implementing, how it's going to benefit disadvantaged communities in an equitable manner, and also capture some other sustainability benefits and available funding that's out there.
So can you give me an example on the private side of how this framework has helped industrial businesses to meet ESG or sustainability goals?
Sure. Our shining example of that is the work we've done with Big River Steel and U.S. Steel in certifying the Osceola, Arkansas Big River Steel facility as responsible steel certified, the first one in North America, and really proud of having that framework available to us so that we were able to achieve that in an 8-month period of time.
This has been fascinating. I love hearing about the work that you're doing in this field. Thank you for being here today.
Great. Thank you so much.